Hello everyone, and today we are going to find the answer when the region bounded of when the y is equal to 3x minus x squared and when y is equal to x rotated. So when we have the graph that might just look like this is going to rotate around the y-axis. So when this is the graph, this is the y-axis, it is going to rotate. We are going to find the volume of the solid obtained when we rotate the function around the y-axis. So first, what we have to do is find the function of the graph. So let's try this first. Y is equal to 3x minus x squared. Things we can pull out of that. Y is equal to 3x minus x squared. We can factor out the x. So we have x times 3 minus x. So we have a claim that when x is equal to 3 and when x is equal to 0, the graph intersects the point 0 and 3. So we don't know where the highest point is, but we are just going to assume that it is around here. So minus x squared, that's the upside down x squared graph. So it's going to look something like this. Yeah. And then we have another graph, y is equal to x. That is very simple drawing. It's just a straight line, like so. Okay, so this shaded area, we are going to rotate that around the y-axis. So to visualize it better, I will draw another version of this shaded portion side onto here as well. Okay. Using the we will use the shell formula thingy. So which that is, this right here, when this rotates around the y-axis, we have a cylindrical 3D shape that it'll make when this rectangle thingy rotates around the y-axis. So if we just find the volume of this whole cylindric shape, we will find the value of this, because this rectangle is just this side, but the integral is what it makes it find the whole volume of the rest of this. So the integral will make us have another rectangle here, and then here, and then down here as well. Yeah, that's what the integral does for us. Okay, well, anyway, let's just find the volume of this cylindrical disc. Then if we put an interval, we will find the answer. So what do we know? Well, this length, we can find that by having this function minus this function. So we get a distance like this. So if we minus this function to this function, we find a distance, which the top function is this. So we have 3 times x minus x squared minus the bottom function, which is just x. So we simplify this further and have 2x minus x squared. So this side is equal to 2x minus x squared. And to find this length, this tiny thick thing, this is dx, because right over here, when we try to find the volume, this length is dx. So yeah. So now we have this length as dx, and then we have this length as 2x minus x squared. And now all we have to do is just find this length. It's really hard, so if I have a paper like this is, so this is equal to this. I will cut it in half and then open it like this. So this is something like what we have. Okay, so we mentioned that this side is 2x minus x squared, and then this very narrow thickness is dx. And trying to find this length, that is just the circumference of the circle, because this circle cut in half and then just make it a straight line by pulling it like this. We have this, and the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, but the radius in this case is x, because this is the radius and that is equal to x, because it's on the x-axis. So this is equal to 2 times pi times x. And now finding for the volume of this whole thing, and when we fold it back up, we just found for the volume of this whole cylindrical, except the mid part. And the mid part is so this is our cylindrical shape, and the mid part is right here. So for the inside volume, so now we can just multiply this by this by this and then get our answer. So we have 2 times pi times x times dx minus x squared times dx from the integral 2 to 0, because the 3x minus x squared, when we set it equal to x, that is when they intersect. When x is equal to 2 and 0. So 2 to 0. 2 to 0. Since 2 times pi is a coefficient, it can come up here. And then we will multiply x by 2x and then minus x squared. So we have 2 times x squared minus x cubed times dx. Okay, we don't have a room, so we will bring this whole thing up here. Okay, the integral of 2 times x squared is equal to 2 over 3 times x to the power of 3, and the integral of minus x cubed is minus x to the power of 4 by 4, divided by 4. And of course, we still have the interval 2 to 0. 2 from 0. I will substitute it in it now. So 2 is equal to x, which means 2 cubed is 8 times 2 is 16 over 3 minus 2 to the power of 4 is 16 over 4 is 4, so we have minus 4. Putting 0, that does nothing. So this 4, I will actually change it to 12 over 3, because 12 over 3 is still 4, but by doing it this way, I can actually subtract it from 16 over 3. And when I do it, I get 4 over 3. So that is equal to 8 times pi over 3. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.